Hey everyone, Jeff Martin here from Fiber Mortgage, and I am joined today by Justin Lott from INI Realty. And we're here today to talk to you a little bit about the rates that have been coming down. No doubt you've heard about the coronavirus and seen the stock market falling, and we've had a lot of inquiries lately about what does that mean for the housing market and the mortgage market and those kinds of things. And so Justin and I thought we can help our clients to understand the current market.
Yeah, that's great, Jeff. I've had many of people reach out and just ask me about the current rates and just is this an opportune time to buy, and I've been kind of just sending them your way. But after the recent change in the stock market yesterday, we're starting to see rates in the twos and the high twos, even low threes, and that's really an 8-year low right
8-year
now.
low, yeah.
So what does that mean for you? If you're in one of three categories of consumers, it's going to be a big benefit. One category is folks that are thinking about refinancing. Maybe you bought with a 5% interest rate or a high 4 like myself. And right now, by refinancing, you would be saving yourselves close to $200 on your monthly mortgage payment. Okay, by refining. It's really incredible right now. So the second category would be if you're shopping for a home or if you're considering buying. It's a great time. If you've been looking for quite some time, maybe you got a pre-qualification letter a year ago or even 2 years ago, you can throw that letter out, okay? Because really your loan is going to be $150, $200 less on your monthly mortgage payment, okay? So that's really a benefit. The next thing is buying power, okay? So that $250,000 house, it's going to cost you the same on your monthly mortgage payment as a $280,000 house, okay, with the rates the way they are. So you can go and you can increase that price point. You might be able to afford the house with the granite countertops, quartz countertops, hardwood floors, swimming pool, screen enclosures, those kinds of things that maybe you couldn't before the rates when they were at the 4 or 5% mark. So the third category is going to be home sellers. Okay, how does this affect home sellers?
Yeah, right? That's huge, and a lot of people don't really realize that sellers can be positively affected by this as well.
It 100% can, because it's going to take a buyer to buy their house, right? And what these rates are doing right now is it's increasing the buyer pool. Okay, so you have more buyers out there, really fighting over the same house. And what does that do? It drives up the price.
Right.
Okay, so that's obviously a benefit to sellers, and another benefit is the days on market goes down considerably. Okay, so that means less showings. Okay, less showings. So the houses sell for more, and they sell in a quicker amount of time.
Yeah.
All right.
And if you've ever sold a home, you know how important that can be.
Sure.
That's such a big relief.
Yeah, no, it is a big thing. Those are, if you fall into those three categories, okay, now might be a time for you to, think about refinancing, thinking about getting a pre-qualification letter, or, thinking about getting your home prepped to sell. Jeff, why don't you tell them what the next steps would be if they're looking to refi or if they're looking to buy a house?
Yeah, so I think the first step, if you're looking to buy a house, the first step really is to get yourself pre-qualified. And here at Fiber, we have simplified that process dramatically. If you call me, and number will be posted below, 904-209-9287, I can have your pre-qualification done and sent to you and to Justin in under 5 minutes. If you go on my website, fiber.mortgage, no .com at the end, just fiber.mortgage, click on instant pre-qualification, and it's 2 minutes or less, you will have your pre-qualification done in your own email and in Justin's email, signed, sealed, and delivered. And the next step after that is the most fun part of the whole process, which is
which is shopping, right?
Yeah.
Essentially, Jeff, you're giving them the American Express card, right?
That's
and we're going out there shopping, and we're finding a good house for you. So, Jeff, I appreciate your time in explaining that, and we'll be ready to take care of you. Thank you.
Great. Hey, Justin, thanks for coming today. And wow, I hope everybody out there learned a ton. I know I did, and it's going to be great.
Great.